Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, we're going to walk you through the updated steps on how to turn on and manage the mute push notification feature within the Facebook app on your iPhone running iOS 18 and later version. This is a great way to minimize distractions and take control of when you receive alerts from Facebook. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have the Facebook app launched and you're signed into your account. Once you're on your news feed or any other page within the app, look at the bottom right-hand corner of your screen. You'll see the menu icon. Go ahead and tap on it. Now, on this next screen, you'll need to scroll down until you see the option labeled Settings and Privacy. Tap on Settings and Privacy to expand its options. From the drop-down menu that appears, locate Settings and tap on it to proceed to the main settings area of your Facebook account. Once you're in the Settings and Privacy menu, you'll need to scroll down again, this time looking for the Preferences section. Within this section, you'll find Notifications. Tap on Notifications to manage how Facebook alerts you. On the Notifications screen, under the heading Manage Your Notifications, you'll see the option Mute Push Notifications. Tap on Mute Push Notifications. Here, you'll see different time intervals that you can select to mute push notifications. To enable the feature, simply tap on your preferred time interval. Just select the duration that best suits your needs. After you've made your selection, tap on the Save button to apply your chosen mute duration. And that's it. You will now stop receiving real-time push notifications on your iPhone for activity within the Facebook app for the duration you selected. This is a fantastic way to reduce interruptions and maintain focus when you need it. Now, if at any point you wish to reconfigure this setting, perhaps to shorten the mute duration or turn it off entirely, simply repeat the same steps we just went through, and make the necessary adjustments to your notification settings. So there you have it, a straightforward guide on how to turn on and manage mute push notifications in the Facebook app on your iPhone running iOS 18 or later. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more helpful tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.